Hello, I'm going to compare Evernote versus Obsidian versus Notion, which is the best. So Evernote, Obsidian, and Notion are popular note-taking and productivity apps, each offering different strengths and organization, customization, and knowledge management. Pros: Evernote, polished UI, powerful web clipping, and solid search across notes and attachments. Obsidian, Markdown-based, local-first storage with powerful bidirectional linking and graph view, ideal for personal knowledge management. Notion, all-in-one workspace for notes, databases, tasks, and collaboration with extensive templates and flexibility. Cons: Evernote, slower innovation, limited customization, and recent pricing changes have frustrated users. Obsidian, steeper learning curve and lacks native cloud syncs without plugins or paid add-ons. Notion can be sluggish with large content, offline access is still limited, and organization can become complex. So in conclusion, choose Evernote for straightforward note-taking and archiving. Go with Obsidian if you need privacy first, highly customizable personal knowledge system. Pick Notion for team collaboration and building a flexible all-in-one productivity hub.